Hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm a senior instructional designer at Landing AI. In LandingLens, you can apply tags to images. This allows you to filter by images to quickly perform an action, like creating labeling tasks or splits. Tags are specific to projects. This means that adding a tag to one project will not add it to another. You can manage tags for a project on the Manage Tags page. To open this page, click the More Actions icon and select Manage Tags. Here, you can add, rename, and delete tags. After you've created your tags, you can apply them to images. There are a few ways to do this. If you want to apply tags to one image at a time, click to open the image you want to add a tag to. In the Tag section, click Add Tag. Search for the tag you want to add. LandingLens applies the tag to the image. If you want to add tags to multiple images simultaneously, first select the images you want to tag, then click Options and Add Tags. Then select or create the tag you want to add. Lastly, you can add tags to images on upload. To do this, click the upload icon. Then drag the images you want to apply a tag to. Select or create the tag in the Tag section. Finally, upload your images. And those are all the ways to apply tags to images. Visit the Landing AI Support Center and community for more information.